Are you ready to make your home a little greener and your lifestyle a whole lot cleaner? Today, I'm sharing 10 easy ways to transition to a zero-waste home. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for more tips, these steps are simple, practical, and totally doable. Ready to transform your home and lifestyle into a haven of wellness and sustainability? Start your journey today. Explore our tips, embrace natural solutions, and share your progress with us. Together, we can create a healthier, happier world, one step at a time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration. Are you ready to make your home a little greener and your lifestyle a whole lot cleaner? Today, I'm sharing 10 easy ways to transition to a zero-waste home. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for more tips, these steps are simple, practical, and totally doable. Let's dive in. Why go zero waste? First, let's talk about why zero waste matters. Did you know the average person generates over 4 pounds of trash every day? By transitioning to a zero-waste lifestyle, you're helping the planet, saving money, and creating a healthier home for your family. Win-win. 10 easy ways to start. Tip 1. Swap plastic bags for reusables. Say goodbye to plastic bags and hello to reusable totes. They're sturdy, chic, and planet-friendly. Tip 2. Switch to glass or stainless steel storage. Plastic containers? Out. Glass jars and stainless steel? In. These alternatives are durable, safe, and recyclable. Plus, they look amazing on your shelves. Tip 3. Compost your food waste. Start a compost bin, it's easier than you think. This keeps food waste out of landfills and gives you rich soil for your garden. Tip 4. Ditch single-use products. Swap out single-use products for reusables. Think bamboo straws, travel mugs, and cloth napkins. Small changes equals big impact. Tip 5. DIY cleaning supplies. Make your own cleaning supplies using natural ingredients like vinegar and baking soda. Effective, affordable, and toxin-free. Tip 6. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores are treasure troves. Shop secondhand for clothes, furniture, and decor. It's stylish and sustainable. Tip 7. Say no to junk mail. Reduce paper waste by unsubscribing from junk mail and switching to digital bills. Your inbox will thank you. Tip 8. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk means less packaging waste. Bring your own jars and bags to the store, bonus points for aesthetics. Tip 9. Repair instead of replace. Don't toss it, fix it. Learn to repair clothing, appliances, and furniture to extend their life and reduce waste. Tip 10. Adopt a minimalist mindset. Less is more. A minimalist mindset helps you focus on quality over quantity and reduce unnecessary waste. These 10 tips are just the beginning of your zero-waste journey. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every little step makes a difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more sustainable living tips, and share your zero-waste goals in the comments below. Let's inspire each other towards a greener future. See you in the next video. Bye for now.